What's up, YouTube? It's your girl K Slay, and I'm back with another video. 19 days of K. Let's get it. Let's go. Period. So we about to reset this house because, yeah, it's a hot mess. Stop doing that on my vlog. You was a young child of God. You can't be tripping out.
You're right.
We trying to do better, okay? High five. Stick to your praise then, baby. Stick to it. You can't be tripping out, boo. Alright, y'all, let's reset this house. We're gonna start with this kitchen. Yeah.
Mom.
These kids done got this house a mess. Look at that. What is that?
Are you cleaning up the kitchen?
Yeah, I'm about to start with the kitchen.
Mom, you about to cook?
It's a process I will get past. It's not so grown inwardly, as eagerly we await to be adopted as God's children, redeemed. And by this hope we have been saved. But who can praise God from the grave? So we will rise upon that day, glorifying your name above all names. I need him each moment. I have come to know the peace that he bestows deep down in my soul. In every moment, surrounded all alone, when all creation groans, I will sing a
God, you call me by my name. The love you give me, I just can't deny. Yeah. No longer blinded, I can see you. I'm on my way to meet you. We gotta talk, you know. All these trials and tribulations got me tired, I need rest. And I heard that I can come to you when weary of my flesh. You awaken me from death. God, I need you. No more walking by the flesh, that's when I leave you. God told me I'm someone, 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 know that I'm someone, no, I'm a child of God. I wanna go the godly way, close to your love again. I give my heart again, Jesus. I wanna go the godly way, close to your love again. I give my heart again, Jesus. I know you know me well. I feel invisible until you tell me you're right here. I cancel plans with you to meet with sin and break your heart. Sometimes I go to you for what you give, not who you are. I wonder if you'll leave for me. God, just tell me what you need from me. Is the Holy Spirit still in me? God, I'm asking you for clarity, even though you told me already. God told me I'm someone, 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 know that I'm someone, no, I'm a child of God.
If the altar's where you meet us, take me there, take me there. If what you need is just an offering, it's right here. My life is here. I'll be a living sacrifice for you. You're the fire, the refiner. I wanna be consumed. I wanna be tried by fire, purified. You take whatever you desire. Yeah. Lord, here's my life. I wanna be tried by fire, yeah, yeah. Purified. Lord, take whatever ready for. We want it all. Your fire is consuming. Fill this place and set it ablaze. I'll be a living sacrifice for you. You're the fire, the refiner. I wanna be consumed. I wanna be tried by fire. Purified. Lord, take whatever you desire. Yeah. Lord, here's my life. I wanna be tried by fire. Yeah, yeah. Purified. Lord, take whatever you desire. Yeah. Lord, here's my life. It's gonna burn for me to say this. Let it burn. Let it burn. It's gonna burn for me to say this. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Let it burn. Oh, gotta let it burn.
This day that God has given me, I'm not gonna waste this joy deep down inside me. I'm not gonna shake. Been stressed for so long, so stuck in my own way. So I'ma enjoy this moment. It's the day that the Lord has made. Nothing to see like the top down. Oh, it's for tomorrow. We ain't living right now. So let's not waste another day. Got to find out to season. Let's take a ride through the same like the top down. Yeah, almost lost my mind a couple times. It got so hot I thought I wanna die. Blood dripping from my arm, just wanna feel inside. Too afraid to open up, so I'd rather hide. Man, I'm just so grateful that I made it this far. Almost thought I had to call my mama in a cop car. Benny's everything for me and everything I need. I would be nothing if you didn't give me no reason to be. Cause I'm riding through the city. And I ain't worried about it. Come too far. See with the top down. Don't you worry about tomorrow. Worry about tomorrow. Don't you worry about tomorrow. Worry about tomorrow. Tomorrow will work out itself. She's in my life, girl. I'm scared of the changing. It's making me better. I'm turning a new thing. It's making me stronger. Yeah, yeah. Christ is in my life for damn good. Yeah. Christ is in my life for damn good. Yeah. Ooh, wow. I can understand. You're a perfect man. Got the whole world in your hands, but you still reaching out for me. Ooh, wow. Why you love me too? I'm nothing like you. Opposite of holiness was what I was, but until you. Till my soul land, could you see why? Hold my hand high, could you see I? And now I'm better, I'm better. No longer what I used to be better, better. It's making me better. I'm turning a new thing. It's making me stronger, yeah, yeah. Christ is in my life for damn good, yeah. Christ is in my life for damn good, yeah. I'm good, I'm good, I'm good. I'm good, I'm good, I'm good, I'm good.
right, y'all, I'm gonna end this vlog here. I lost all the footage of me cleaning my living room and cleaning my bathroom. I'm so sorry, but I literally lost all that footage because I accidentally broke my man SD card that go into his camera. So now I gotta buy another one. He gonna kill me when he wake up, y'all, and he find out. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe. And I hope you enjoy my reset. Peace. See you in the next video. Case